Hello and welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today we'll take a look at Just a Girl, Hello Nori's blind box from POPMART. And I'll be doing an unboxing and taking, of course, a look at what the figure is inside this box, which just came out not too long ago in Singapore. And I'll be doing unboxings and features on the trio of my social medias. This is purchased with my own cash money, so it's not going to be a big hoo-ha, but to satisfy my own curiosity, if that's the word for it. I was very intrigued by the box and loving it as well right now, because it feels as if like a VHS cassette tape box. But when I saw it online, I couldn't, it took a bit for me to understand it, or accept, if that's the word, accept the context that it is a blind box as compared to, let's say, a more squarish blind box versus something like this. So I don't know. I don't have a contact direct with the artist, but it feels like as if it's a VHS cassette tape box. So yeah, I'll just assume that it is. Now that I've yacked on enough, let's have a look at what's inside. Oh, nice. The open is at the side instead of the top, like regular my boxes. Ooh, that doesn't help. Nice. Like you can close back the box eventually. Oh, I get it. It comes in a tray and not like let's say a blind bag, as you would call it. Nice, adorable. So there's no mystery except for seeing the actual figure itself. Nice. So yes, this is my first pull. Adorable. This let me look at the card first, then I'll talk about the figure itself. Hello Nori. Oh, there's a QR code. I have a feeling, but I'm not really sure. The QR code, when you scan it, it opens up. I assume it opened up a comic, illustration comic by the artist himself. I'd like to think so. I'm not sure. Might try to scan it afterwards, but yeah, I'm not a huge fan of scanning QR codes. I'm a dinosaur. Yeah, this is a figure. Let's have a look at it inside. I am jazzed and excited because since blogging about his Just a Girl series with WooWorks and 222 Kawaii, or is it Kawaii 222, I've always wanted the resin figure, but it was out of my reach financially and accessibility. But here, yes, I have a Just a Girl figure, and I've only read about it just not too long ago, a few days ago, that I can change the shoes and hairstyle. Can I? Not sure. Let's try. Because when I felt, yeah, can plonk out the feet. It's magnetic. Is it magnetic? It better be, because it was pretty loose when it came out. And the hair. Oh, the head. Nice. Not decapitation. I can change the head. Can I change the body? No, I can't. Okay, so that means this is just the pure body itself. Let me try and focus the camera. Can't really see if it's focused or not. Yeah. The body, and these are the magnetic pieces. I assumed are the magnetic pieces. Let's give it a try. Yes, it is. There's a ever so slight, nice magnetic clasp, or rather catch. So yeah, but don't be mucking about and hoping that it will stay. Okay, it does stay. Yeah, so just be tender. I feel, and that works, man. Oh my gosh, I am excited. I am excited to open up the rest of my figures, and I am very jazzed to now own a Just a Girl figure in my collection. Let's have a look at that. Do a quick turnaround. The details like the red tab, loving the glossy bits. Just like his racing toys, I would assume. I mean, those that I blogged about anyway, and looks highly glossy. So this is like a wonderful homage. Yeah, because of the magnetic catch, this articulation. Loving the glasses that comes with the figure. That is not like printed on, it's like a solid piece. Can you see? Nice lah. The Silly Pop-ish retro looking figure. Go Google Silly Pop and see what it means lah. So yeah, this is my Just a Girl Norris Morning blind box figure. Ta-da! Nice! Okay, I'll end this video, this unboxing video, so that you folks can also check out, I'll put a link in the description below. You can also check out the links on my unboxings on my other socials that I'm going to post on my socials. Yeah, thank you for watching.